I am. I am the embodiment of the Holy Mother. I bless all those who enter my sanctuary. My body is the home to my soul, where and how I reside, and bless those who come near. I give an offering from my sacred plant. I give offerings of my medicine. I am the embodiment of the divine. I am. Planted at the front door of my home, I bless all those who show up. I feel holy water pouring down upon me, watering my medicine. I am fed by Great Spirit. I belong. I feel the glorious sunlight and the shade from my flourishing leaves. My body temple is blessed and protected. Holiness nourishes me. Thereby allowing me to nourish others. One stream of consciousness flows through all. I am blessed. I bless others. These cycles repeat. I am not alone. My home is protected. I am always home. I do not need to fear. Settling into home, feeling the potted plant, rooted, spreading through my womb, riding up through each room in my glorious temple, flourishing from head to fingertips, sprouting from inside my body. Do not fear. Let us flourish you as you flourish others. Receive the nutrients, guidance, help, support, protection, love, grace, and blessings. Receive. Soak up this love so you too may flourish. This world needs you, needs your medicine. You are the Holy Mother.